Hi, my name is Mattina. I'm the project manager with Fishbeck, the company that did the addition and renovation to O'Dowd Hall. Where we're standing now is part of the new entry. This is one of the main primary goals of the project, was to create a new welcoming entry for the students.
Hi, I'm Danielle Isenogle. I'm the senior architect that worked on this project. We're excited to take you on a tour to take a look at some of the changes that have happened since we started construction in July.
And this boarded up area over here will be your new entryway. So you come into the space, it'll be open and inviting. Some of the design inspiration for this new addition was to create a spot that connects you to the second floor. With a beautiful open staircase, you have direct access upstairs, lots of glass, it's very inviting. As we walk down this hallway, there's a few more study spaces. Space for group study, space for individual study, and an open table for collaboration. One of your new classrooms over here. And as we come around the corner, there's a prep space. This prep space will have a counter, ice maker, sink, be a place that you can lay out food and drink before activities of the school. Let's meet up with Danielle.
Thanks, Vince. Now I'm standing in a place that should look familiar to everyone. It's the ramp to classroom 110, which is just beyond this temporary wall that we put up to block the noise and debris from construction. Now over here are two new unisex restrooms. And then on this side is going to be a wellness room that you can use for prayer, lactation, or just taking a mental break. Now come along and follow me and we'll go see what's going on the back side. Over here is another prep area like Vince showed you before. And then behind me are 4 new classrooms. Now follow me and we'll go over by the elevators. This familiar spot by the elevators is looking a little different. The bathrooms are getting an upgrade with new fixtures and finishes. Down this hallway, which used to be part of the registrar's office, there are 16 study cubbies in 3 different configurations that have built-in seating, a built-in table, and soft surfaces to help absorb sound. On this side of the hallway, we have 5 classrooms, which have floor-to-ceiling glass, operable partitions for flexibility, and upgraded technology.
When we're all said and done, we'll have renovated about 10,000 square feet to make way for these classrooms and these study spaces, which was a primary reason for this renovation. Thanks for tolerating the noise. See you later.